Hey, yeah, Nayo here, and today I'm feeling freaking hungry. Okay, to be honest, I'm always freaking hungry. So today we're reviewing a food delivery app that I've used a lot over the past year, and that's Jumia Food. It has a rating of 4.3, and even though the screenshots aren't fancy and embellished, I can tell the design of the app is pretty good. Let's install it. It's only 8 megabytes, which is great. Now your uninstallable Facebook app has more space to keep growing. After you install the app, you select your location from these lists, then it shows you restaurants in that area along with their price range, delivery time, and rating. You can search for a specific restaurant or type of food you're looking for here, or even filter by budget, different cuisines, delivery fees, among other things, which I think is pretty useful. After you convince yourself that you really need fast food today and that you can afford it, you can tap on a restaurant, view the different menus they have. Actually, this layout reminds me of Uber Eats, but that's a clickbait for another video. You can then select the meal you want, decide on various different options for the meal, then open your basket to check out. One weird thing is that your basket can only have meals from one restaurant, meaning that if you leave the current restaurant, you lose everything you already added. It would be nice to be able to place orders to multiple restaurants. You will probably have to pay the delivery fees for all the locations, but I don't see any technical limitations. After you've placed your order, you'll see the status of the order and when you should expect it to arrive, and some of the restaurants actually call you to confirm your order, which can be a bit redundant, but it's nice to have human contact once in a while. I need those calls personally. On the main page, there's a navigation drawer with an option to view and manage your account details. You can view your order history, which even lets you reorder the same meal. And in the settings page, you can decide whether or not you want to load the restaurant and meal images. You can change countries, you can change push notification settings, which is really horribly implemented. Because one thing about this app that I hate is the annoying push notifications. But thing is, some of them have useful information about my orders, but if I wanted to turn off the annoying spam they sometimes send, instead of letting me pick and choose between the notifications, they actually lead you to the Android app settings where your only option is to block all of the notifications. All in all, it's a well-designed app. I think the locations could be more intuitively done because having to confirm your location every time you open the app is just a pain. But their service is great. The orders are mostly always on time, and if not, they'll give you a heads up. They have a great selection of restaurants. They cover a wide area of Nairobi and about a dozen other cities in Africa. And because of all that, I'll give Jumia Food an 8.7 out of 10. If you're hungry and aren't poor, I would recommend it. The app is available on Android and iOS. Links are in the description. And that's it for Jumia Food. Comment, like, subscribe, and suggest apps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.